Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and on this amazing episode I'm gonna show you my new house tour, new seats. Yes, I hope you get excited and share. Give me that like, share this video. Let's get started. As you can see, this is where I stay. It's amazing. It's a new house. It's beautiful. I love the new seats that I got. You can see the blue goes so well with the red. Of course, I had to keep my curtains. Look at that. The house, maybe you can come with me and see all this. Look at that. Looks amazing. It's so cozy, so comfortable. And this one is for my baby. He loves to sit there. And this one, of course, is mine. I love these new high chairs. If you want to know where I get them, write down below and I will let you know, and I will hook you up with the best. And I have my dining table because of my kids. I don't want them to dirtify the seats, so I got them the awesome dining set. Also custom made, really made for me. As you come here, there's another 2-seater for you, for my babies too, and for my visitors. I love that painting. You can have a look at that. Always reminds me of where I'm gonna build my house, near a lake somewhere. Amen. And here we go, we have our bookshelf where we put that part. It's amazing. And then on this side we have the TV, and I love this shelf. It was also custom made. I love it because it's so simple. You know guys how I love simple things. Yeah, so follow me as I show you the rest of the house. So as you pass there, you see my wedding gift. Thankful, grateful, blessed. And then I have this long corridor. And then I have my shoe rack. I love animals, so I have that print up there for that. And then on this side, it's our main master. Look at that wall. Look at that bed. You can see that design that I made myself, all made by me. Also, I have this amazing lamp that I love, and our bookshelf. So the book I'm reading right now is Lean In by Sheryl Sandberg. I love reading, so I come here and do a bit of reading, and it's amazing. Baby Korea. So for the bathrooms, it's amazing animal print, the toilet and the bathroom, and of course you have this amazing mirror that I love. Look at that, looks amazing. Enjoyed my sneak peek of how my house looks. So make sure you subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Yes, thank you, and that's it from me. Bye.